In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share data in Snowflake efficiently. Whether you're collaborating with team members or sharing with clients, knowing how to manage data sharing in Snowflake can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive in and take you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to share data confidently within Snowflake. First things first, you need to log into Snowsite. This step is essential as Snowsite is Snowflake's web-based user interface, helping you interact with your data warehouse directly. Once you're logged in, locate the navigation pane and head over to Data Products. Within Data Products, you'll find an option labeled Private Sharing. This is where you can control access, manage shared data, and ensure that it reaches the intended recipients without unnecessary exposure to other parties. With the private sharing section open, it's time to pick your created share. This is the data set you have prepared for sharing, comprising the specific database objects you want to provide access to. Being methodical as you choose your share is crucial because it dictates what data your intended recipients will see and be able to access. Make sure the dataset is secure and only includes the necessary information needed for your intended purpose. Now, let's move on to the editing phase, where you can adjust which database objects you're including in your share. Simply click Edit next to your selected share. This action enables you to add or remove database objects. Take a moment to review your selections here. Making conscious decisions about the data you're sharing helps maintain data security and reduces the chances of inadvertently sending more than you intended. You have the flexibility to include tables, views, and even user-defined functions in your share, depending on what's pertinent to your recipients. After you've finalized your database object selections, you'll need to add consumer account locators. These account locators are vital as they identify the specific Snowflake accounts that will receive your data. It's essential to have these identifiers ready before this step to avoid any hitches. Double-check the locators to ensure accuracy because any mistake here can lead to unauthorized access or failed data transfers. Finally, don't forget to save your settings. This action confirms all your configured options and ensures everything you've set up for your shared data is secured and ready for access by the intended parties. Saving not only locks in your current choices, but also makes it easier to return and make future adjustments if necessary. By following these guided steps, you've successfully shared data in Snowflake, providing a seamless and efficient means for collaboration and data access. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you maximize the potential of Snowflake in your endeavors. Until next time, happy data sharing.